And then what happened?
See, they just crammed a bunch of pipe dope around it, but they didn't bother to put any Teflon. It's a 2-part seal. All right, simple stuff. We're gonna go clockwise. This is a 3/4 inch and we got a 1/2 inch pipe size, so we'll kind of fold it in half, make it perfect size. And clockwise only, making sure none of the Teflon tape goes over the threads where it's going to go inside the pipe. That a good 3 to 4 wraps. And then put a little bit of the pipe dope around the edge over the tape. A little bit more. Just a little bit of the dope on the threads. Then we're gonna go, can't forget the washer. And then go over. Perfect. Perfect.